Hey guys, welcome to Glamour with Sia. I'm Sia and this is my friend Komal.
Hi.
So I'll be leaving her channel details and her IG details right on the screen so you guys can have a check. And if you're thinking what is she doing on my channel is because we are doing a series around KL for the most Instagrammable cafes and many more vlogs coming up. So you guys must stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll are notified whenever I post a new video. So today we have come to this cafe called Mary Jane. So this cafe is a very hyped and a rave cafe among people all around KL, especially by the influencers. So today we are come here to just check around the food, the ambience. Ambience looks amazing, like you can just see the background behind us, but the food we are not sure of yet. So let's check it out. So guys, as you can see, this is how the place looks once you enter. This is not actually the main entrance. The main entrance is from the downstairs, like you can see the stairs beside. And this is a beautiful booth which we booked. So these booths, if you want to sit in these booths, you have a minimum spend, or else if you want to sit on those pink chairs, there's no minimum spend. So we went during the high tea time, so the minimum spend was 200. Like it can be used for 6 packs, and there are 2 types of booths, big booths and small booths. And they have this beautiful photo booth over here that's beautiful. The entire cafe is very aesthetic and extremely Instagrammable. Everything is pink. So here was the menu. We went during the tea time, so no food items were available. There were only drinks and bar snacks available. So this menu is only for drinks. So we did not go for any alcoholic drinks. We just chose few coffees and smoothies and stuffs. So this is how the entire menu looks like you can see. So there are a lot of options for people, those who like to drink. And downstairs there is a proper bar kind of a setup. So this setup over here is more aesthetic, more girly, and more for pictures and stuff. But the place down, it's also equally good. It's more of the bar setup. And this menu was for the bar snacks. Like you can see, we got only 3 items as 2 were not available. So yeah, let's talk about the food later. And this is the menu for juices and coffees, ice blends and things. So we got a coffee, we got a unicorn drink, and we got a chocolate indulgence. So we did not go for the tea. Their teapot is extremely beautiful. You guys must check it out. And now let's go towards the pastry section, as that was not mentioned in the menu. So just check it out. So as you guys can see, this entire section is the pastries which are available on that day. There are macaroons, there are different pastries and cakes and stuffs over here. So we just opt for a black forest and a red velvet cute cake and a fruit tart. And yeah, we did not want to go for a lot of sweet because we are someone who like more savory stuff. But their cakes were really good. And the entire setup, it's beautiful. Like you can see, everything is kept very tidy and clean. Like there was no complaint in hygiene wise or anything. Everything was extremely good and beautiful. So like you can see, this is the entire counter, and there are those cute little teapots which I was talking about. So here is our food. So you can see, this is what we ordered, like a few pastries and baked potatoes. This is the unicorn
And chicken wings.
So
Tempura.
then we started eating. We first went for our drinks, as drinks were extremely delicious. We loved our drinks. I got chocolate indulgence. Komal got the unicorn drink. That's their signature pink drink, as the entire theme is pink and there has to be a signature pink drink, right? It was lovely. We did not have any complaints with the drink part. But yes, the food was nice. I guess this was because they were just bar snacks. There was lack of salt in it. But yeah, rest everything was good. Portion wise, okay. Price wise also, it's not very pricey. But we had to spend 200 minimum for the booth. So yeah, that is what. Then we started with the wings. Chicken wings were delicious. They were so delicious that we got another one as well. So yeah, the food was nice. Like, I cannot say it was extremely good. We have to actually go and check out their lunch and dinner things. Then we can actually rate the food properly. But desserts were amazing. They were lovely. The macaroons were nice. The pastries were good. But the snacks were like okay. And one more thing I would love to mention is their staff were very nice and polite. They were very courteous, very helpful. The service was a little slow, maybe I guess because there was a lot of crowd, a lot of people walking in, but the service was really good. So now we are done with our meal, so let's go and check out their beautiful powder room. The ladies' room is extremely beautiful and very aesthetic, and this is something very famous for. Just look at this place. I could spend my entire day here, taking pictures, making videos and stuff. It's absolutely beautiful. The chandelier was lovely, the lovely mirrors and everything. Like you can just see people are just taking pictures and things. And the highlight part are the toilets. Just look at those golden toilets. Aren't they beautiful? I love this place. It's so aesthetic, perfect for your Instagram to take pictures and stuff. This place is beautiful. Okay, another sneak peek. So yes guys, just look at those cute toilets.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and many more such are coming up pretty soon, so you guys must stay tuned and do give a big thumbs up for this video if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel as well as her channel, and check out our IGs because a lot goes around our IGs. Stay tuned for more. See you super duper soon. Bye bye.